อเดิมหน่อยแม่พี่กินได้ไงแต่ยังไม่เห็นหน้ามึง
Plants have different parts that work together to help them grow. Plants have different parts that work together to help them grow. Plants have stems and leaves, flowers, fruits, and roots. They all work together to help the plant survive. They need stems and leaves, flowers, fruits, and roots. They need stems and leaves, flowers, fruits, and roots. Plants have different parts that work together to help them grow. Plants have different parts that work together to help them grow.
3 วิชา2 วิชาเร็วจังเลยโคตรเร็ว Good job Good job everyone Good job everyone
Good morning, everyone. Hello, can you hear teacher's voice?
Teacher สวัสดีครับ
Good
Good
morning.
morning teacher
Alright, good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning teacher
Everybody. If you hear my voice, you say ha ha. Ha ha. If you hear my voice, you say hooray. Hooray. Alright. Well, what is the subject for today? Today science on page number 53 for today. Page number 53. Very good, everyone. Good job. Now, before we get into the lesson today, let's see the small talk first. Right? The first one, what time do you leave school? What time do you leave school? Let's say I leave school at 4 o'clock. I leave school at 12 p.m. Very good. Now, what time do you leave school? For this one, what time is it?
5 o'clock
5 o'clock. I leave school at 5 o'clock.
and 6
I
o'clock
leave school at 5 p.m. 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Very good.
and
Now,
6
how
o'clock
do you get to school? By this one. I get to school by
8
school
o'clock
bus. I get to school by school bus.
4
How about
o'clock
this one? How do you get to school? Train. Very good. I get to school by train. I get to school by train. Very good. And what about this one? Van. Let's say I get to school by van. I get to school by van. Well, what is the next subject?
Map
After this subject, the next subject is math. The next subject
กินนมนึ่งกล่องเป็นขวด
What is the next subject? Study. This book is history. So the next subject is history. History. Very good. Right, let's see the new small talk for today. What did you study in the previous class? The question is, what did you study in the previous class? Previous class means the class before this one. The class before this one. Right? And the next class is the class after this one. Now let's see how to answer these questions. You can say in the previous class I study
blah blah
blah blah blah followed by the subject you have studied for the previous one. Now let's see the example. What did you study in the previous class? Math. In the previous class, I studied math. Very good. In the previous class, I studied math.
I study math.
And this one, what did you study in the previous class? In the previous class, I studied history. In the previous class, I studied history. All right, the next example. What subject is it? English. English. Well, what did you study in the previous class? In the previous class, I studied English. In the previous class, I studied English. Very good. Well, let's see. Last week we have learned about parts of plant. Parts of plant. Let's see. Can you remember? How many parts of plants that are the main? There are 6 main part of plant, right? 6 main part of plant. Let's see. Number 1. Do you remember what is it? Number 1. Root. Root. Number 2. What is it here? Stem. Stem. Number 3. Leaf. Very good. Leaf. Leaf. How about number 4? Good job, everyone. Number 4 is flower. Flower. Good job. Number 5. Excellent. Fruit. Fruit. And the last one, number 6. Inside the fruit. What is it inside the fruit? We call seed. Seed. Well, very good. All right. There are 6 main parts of plant, but today, we will focus on stem. Stem. Today we will focus on only stem. Let's see. All right. We can group plants by using stems as criteria. We can group plants by using stems as criteria. The first group, woody stems. Woody stems. And number 2, the group number 2, we call creeping stems. Creeping stems. Right? We can group the plants by using stem. First group, woody stems. Second group, creeping stems. Well, let's start with the first one. Let's see what is it. 53. Page number 53. This book, okay? Right? See woody stem. If you don't have it, all right, let's start with woody stem. Let's see the example. Woody stem. Here are the picture of woody stem. 53. 53. Okay, 53. Look at. For the woody stems, they are thick and hard. As you can see in the picture. Here is the example of woody stem. Woody stem. Let's see the example of plant that has woody stem. The first one. Do you know what is it? This one? With an orange fruit. It's orange tree. Orange tree. Well, the orange tree has the woody stem. Very good. The orange tree has the woody stem. Here is the woody stem of orange tree. Let's see the next one. What is it? What is this plant? Coconut tree. Coconut tree. Well, the coconut tree has the woody stem. The coconut tree has the woody stem. Very good. Here is the stem of coconut tree. It's woody. It's woody. It looks thick and hard, as you can see. Now let's see the next one. This one. Bamboo. Bamboo. And the bamboo has the woody stem. The bamboo has the woody stem. Very good. Let's see the next example of woody stem plant. Alright, the next one, it's a mango tree. Mango tree. Look at the picture here. Here is a stem of mango tree. And the mango tree has the woody stem. Very good. The mango tree has the woody stem. Good job. The next tree, what is it?
Apple.
Apple. Very good. Apple tree. And here is the apple tree stem. The apple tree has the woody stem. The apple tree has the woody stem. Very good. All right, now let's move to creeping stems. Creeping stems. Creeping stems are thin and weak. Let's see the example. Thin and weak. Here are the example of creeping stems. Creeping stem. As you can see, the creeping stems are thin and weak, and they cannot grow up so high. Cannot grow up so high by themselves. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. The pumpkin has the creeping stem. The pumpkin has the creeping stem. Very good. And the next example. What is it? This one. Watermelon. This is the watermelon tree. Well, the watermelon has the creeping stem. The watermelon has the creeping stem. Very good. And the next one, the next plant, it's a cucumber. Cucumber. Now let's see. As you can see in the picture, the cucumber has the creeping stem. Creeping stem. Very good. As the cucumber tree grows along on the ground, and they cannot grow up so high by themselves. So the cucumber has the creeping stem. Very good. The next one, the next example. Melon. Melon. Have you ever eaten? Melon. Very good. The melon has creeping stem. The melon has the creeping stem. Now let's compare the woody stem and creeping stem. The first one, what type of stem does the orange tree have? The orange tree has the woody stem. On the left side, the orange tree has the woody stem. And look at the right side. What type of stem does the pumpkin have? The pumpkin has creeping stem. The pumpkin has creeping stem. The first one orange, and the second one pumpkin. They have different types of stem. Woody stem for orange tree and creeping stem for pumpkins. Let's see the next one. What type of stem does the apple tree have? The apple tree has woody stem. Apple have woody stem. And what type of stem does the cucumber have? The cucumber have the creeping stem. The cucumber has the creeping stem. Woody stem for apple tree. Creeping stem for cucumber. And the next one. What type of stem does the bamboo have? The bamboo has woody stem. The bamboo has woody stem. And what type of stem does the watermelon have? The watermelon has creeping stem. Creeping stem, right? Woody stem for bamboo and creeping stem for watermelon. Next one. What type of stem does the mango tree have? Mango tree has. The mango tree has the woody stem. The mango tree has the woody stem. Well, how about the the melon? What type of stem does the melon have? The melon has creeping stem. The melon has creeping stem. Between these two, woody stem for the mango tree and creeping stem for the melon. Very good. All right, now everybody, can you tell teacher please what type of stem does this plant have? What type of stem does this plant have? Let's see the first one. What type of stem does the apple tree have? The apple tree has one woody stem or two creeping stem. One woody stem or two creeping stem. Number one or number two? Very good. It's number one. The apple tree has the woody stem. Woody stem. Very good. Let's see the next one. The next one. What type of stem? What type of stem does the watermelon have? Not the water. The melon has woody stem, one or two creeping stem. Number two. Melon. Number two. Let's see the answer. Good job. The watermelon has the creeping stem. Creeping stem. Stop. And the next one. Right, for this one. What type of stem does pumpkin have? Woody stem or creeping stem? Number 1 or number 2? Number 1 or number 2 for pumpkin? Is it number 1, woody stem? No. Number 2, stem. Good job. Well, what type of stem does the pumpkin have? The pumpkin has creeping stem. The pumpkin has the creeping stem. Very good, everyone. Let's see the next one. Now this time, tell teacher please. Tell teacher please. What type of stem does the orange tree have? 1 or 2? Woody or creeping? Is it number 2? Number 2, yes or no? No. Number 1, woody stem. Let's see. For the orange tree. What type of stem does the orange tree have? The orange tree has woody stem. The orange tree has woody stem. It's number 1. Good job. Let's try the next one. Alright. Answer teacher. What type of stem does the next plant have? 1, woody stem or 2, creeping stem? At this time, let's see what type of stem does the cucumber have. Have woody stem or creeping stem?
Number 2.
Number 2. Let's see, is number 2 correct? All right, let's see the answer. Very good. Number 2, creeping stem. Creeping stem. Now, what type of stem does the cucumber have? The cucumber has the creeping stem. Creeping stem. Very good. Let's see the next one. At this time, tell teacher please, what type of stem does the bamboo have? The bamboo has woody or creeping stem?
Number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1. Number 1.
Let's see. Correct. It's number 1. Woody stem. Woody stem. The bamboo tree has the woody stem. Very good. Now let's try the next one. This one, what type of stem does the mango tree have? The mango tree has woody stem. Number 1 or number 2, creeping stem?
Number 2.
Number 2. Are you sure for number 2? Let's see the answer. It's number 1. The mango tree has woody stem. The mango tree has woody stem. It's all right. Let's try the next one, okay? This time, let's see what type of stem does the watermelon have. 1, woody stem or 2, creeping stem?
Number 2.
Number 2. Number 1.
Number 2.
Let's see the answer.
Number 2.
Very good. It's number 2. Creeping stem. Creeping stem for watermelon. The watermelon has the creeping stem. Good job. All right, now this time, it's time for doing the exercise, everybody. Let's open your book to page number 55. 55. Good job, good job. Very good. All right, now let's see the exercise on page number 55. In this exercise, write down the group of plants by their stem. Write down the group of plants by their stem. The first one, woody stem. Woody stem or creeping stem. Creeping stem. All right, we have to group these 6 types of plant to their stem, woody or creeping. Let's see number 1. Number 1 is an orange tree. What type of stem does the orange tree have? The orange tree have woody stem. So write down an orange tree in number 1 on woody stem box. Woody stem for orange tree. Number 1.
Teacher, no finish number 1.
It's all right. Take your time writing.
Oi. Teacher, finish.
Good job, Amsin.
Finish.
Good job, Tashin. Very good. Let's waiting for our friend just a few seconds.
Teacher, no finish.
Also take your time.
A. A.
20 ข้อคือคิดแค่2 ข้อคิดใน2 ข้อ
ไป
คิด2
G.
All right, now let's see number 2, okay? Number 2.
Teacher, no.
Also you can just copy the word. Copy the word from number 1 to put in the box. It's okay. Well, let's see number 2. Number 2,
No.
what is it? A coconut tree. A coconut tree. What type of stem does the coconut tree have? Woody stem or creeping stem? All right, the coconut tree has the woody stem. The woody stem. So write down a coconut
Teacher,
tree.
finish number 1.
On number 2, number 1, very good. Also now let's write number 2 on woody stem, okay? A coconut tree has the woody stem.
A. C. O. C. O. N. N. T. N. Teacher.
Yes.
หนูใส่ทั้งหมด3 ข้อแล้วค่ะ
Oh, very good. I'm seeing very good.
Teacher, finish.
Good job, Porsche. Very good. All right, now let's move to the picture number 3, okay? Picture number 3, what is it? A
number 2
cucumber tree. Good job also. A cucumber tree. What type of stem does a cucumber tree have? The cucumber tree has woody or creeping stem. The cucumber tree has a creeping stem. Creeping stem for a cucumber tree. A cucumber tree. Write down on the creeping stem box. Creeping stem box.
A C
มันหรือเปล่าลูก
U C U
ร้อนใหญ่บอกใช่
M Finish
Good job,น้องปาล์ม very good.
Finish
Good job, everyone. All right, now let's move to picture number 4,
number
okay?
1
Also in writing. You can follow up. You can follow up, okay?
No
Let's see number 4. Number 4, what is it? It's a bamboo. A bamboo. What type of stem does the bamboo have? The bamboo has the woody stem or creeping stem. The bamboo has the woody stem. Woody stem, right? A bamboo
Finish
on woody stem box. Good job, Pam. Good job. All right, we still have 2 more pictures left. Only 2 more pictures left for today.
ก็มันเนี่ยถ้ามันมีแท็บเล็ตอยู่ในโลกเลยมันจะได้นี่มันนั่งคุยกันตรงนั้นแท็บเล็ตมาก
Well, how about the pumpkin? Picture number 5. The pumpkin has woody stem or creeping stem. Can you guess this time? The pumpkin has the creeping stem. Write down a pumpkin. A pumpkin. And we still have 1 more box left. The last one. What type of stem does the watermelon have? The watermelon has the creeping stem. The watermelon has the creeping stem.
Finish
Very good, everyone. Now let's see for the woody stem. What woody stem do we have here? Number 1, an orange tree. Number 2, a coconut tree. Number 3, a bamboo. This one, a bamboo. And for the creeping stem we have number 1, a cucumber tree. A cucumber tree. Number 2, a pumpkin. A pumpkin. And number 3, a watermelon. A watermelon. All right, teacher will give you few minutes to complete it all, okay?
Finish
Good job, Pam. Good job. Ozone. You can write like second line, it's okay. More than 1 line, it's okay.
Finish
Very good. Porsche. Good job.
คุณครูครับผมเสร็จแล้วครับต้องหัวข้อ
Good job. Porsche. Very good.
Teacher finish
Very good, Mario. Good job. Good job, Nam Kim. Very good, everyone. Let's see. All right. Seem like everyone finished the exercise.
No.
Not yet. Okay, everyone, now let's review the lesson we have learned today. Very good, very good. Well, let's see what type of plant is the woody stem. Let's see the example of woody stem plant. The first one, what is it? An orange tree. Orange tree.
Orange tree.
Mango tree. Mango tree.
Bamboo.
This one, bamboo. On you just a few minutes. Teacher will go back for you, okay? Bamboo and apple tree. All right, orange tree, mango tree, bamboo, and apple tree. These have the woody stem. Woody stem. All right, on you.
Okay.
Let's waiting for our friend to finish the exercise. Just a few seconds, okay?
ได้แล้ว
ปิดแล้วพับไปแล้วโอ้พอเป็นตัวสระเอแล้วก็โอ
Are you finished, O'Neil?
เห็นแล้วพับเลยสิ
เสร็จแล้วครับ
All right, good job, good job. Now let's see.
จะกินบอกไปเลย
All right, the next one for creeping stem. Creeping stem. Let's see the example of plant that has creeping stem. The first one, what is it? Cucumber. Cucumber. And pumpkin. Pumpkin. Melon. Melon. And the last one for today. Watermelon. Watermelon. All right. Cucumber, pumpkin, melon, and watermelon. These have creeping stem. Creeping stem. Good job, good job. All right, well done for today, everyone. And
everyone
moment, please. All right, the time is up for today. We have to say good. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye for today.
Thank you, teacher.